Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a GIF to your Instagram reel. So first we're going to start off by clicking this icon here. Now we're going to click on reel. I'm going to swipe up. Then we're going to select the video or photo of our choice. For this example, we can use a photo. Now we're going to click on add. Next. Now we're going to click on the sticker icon and we're going to select GIF. So you can search a GIF, like for example, chia seed. And now you're gonna select the GIF of your choice. You're gonna place it wherever you like. And then we're gonna click on next. And lastly, we're gonna click on share. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Bye.